This is Milo standing in front of his locker on. A strange light is coming from locker number 109. Milo, surprised, oh. My magic backpack is glowing again. As soon as Milo unzipped the bag, a storm of colors appeared and he began to float, spinning 3 times. Milo, amazed and excited, wow, this is awesome. Suddenly, the light disappeared. And Milo was standing on the Great Wall of China. Milo was stunned and said, I'm really on the Great Wall? Soldier, hey kid. What are you doing here? Milo said, I'm Milo. I'm a time traveler. Soldier, laughing, then you're a special guest. Welcome. Suddenly, a young messenger came running and shouted, bandits are approaching from the north. Soldier commander said, soldiers, prepare to defend the wall. Soldiers grabbed their bows, torches lit up, and Milo sketching everything in his notebook. Milo, with interest, this is so amazing. Milo said, I'm Milo. I'm a time traveler. Soldier, laughing, then you're a special guest. Welcome. So amazing. General said, son, where are you from? Milo, I've come from far away. To learn. General, then remember this, the wall was built with stones, but held together with pride. The backpack began glowing again. Milo knew it was time to say goodbye. Milo, thank you. I'll never forget this. Soldier and General, brave traveler, goodbye.
In a blink, Milo was back in the school hallway. Students poured out of their classrooms. But Milo's heart was still on the wall. Milo, smiling. What a wonderful world. In his sketchbook were pictures of soldiers, the wall, and towers. Milo, reading. The wall was built by hands, but held together by pride. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.